Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a project plan in ClickUp so you can organize your tasks, manage deadlines, and keep your team on track effortlessly. Whether you're managing a large team, coordinating a product launch, or just want to streamline your workflow, this step-by-step guide will help you set up a project plan that saves time and keeps everything running smoothly. First, open ClickUp and make sure you're on your home screen. This is your dashboard, where all your projects and spaces live. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to work on. Hover over it, and you'll see a set of 3 little dots, also called the More Options menu. Click on these dots, and a drop-down will appear. From here, select Templates. Templates in ClickUp are a huge time saver. They give you a structured starting point so you don't have to build a plan from scratch. Next, click on Browse Templates to open ClickUp's library of pre-made templates. In the search bar, type Project Plan and press Enter. You'll see a list of project plan templates, each with different layouts and features. Some include detailed timelines and milestones, while others are simpler, perfect for smaller teams or projects. Take your time to choose the one that best fits your project needs. Once you've selected a template, click Use Template. ClickUp will prompt you to give your new project plan a name. You can be straightforward, like Marketing Campaign Plan, or something more creative. Just make sure it clearly reflects the purpose. After naming it, you'll have the chance to customize your project plan. Add or remove columns, rename tasks, or even assign colored tags to keep things organized. Think of it like arranging furniture in a new room. Make it work for your team's workflow. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Define your key tasks and deadlines before customizing, so your template matches your actual workflow. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent unnecessary adjustments later. Once you're happy with your setup, click Use Template again, and your project plan will load into your workspace. From here, you can continue editing tasks, adding checklists, or adjusting due dates as needed. Remember, your project plan is a living document. It evolves as your work progresses. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a fully customized project plan in ClickUp that helps you stay organized, meet deadlines, and collaborate efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who want to improve their project management. Why not make someone's day easier?